Let me start a little differently. This is an animal NGO, okay, and therefore the audience is very limited. Whether the audience for donating or the audience for helping out is very limited. And so if there is a space like this where we can sell some of our stuff, which is basically fundraising, a means of fundraising, because as I said, we depend on donations to really go ahead. We don't have any funds coming in from the government, and so this becomes a good platform to have that for people to buy our stuff and through that process raise funds. But it's also an awareness creation place, that animals are important, strays are important, we need to look after them. Then I've been able through this have been able to identify people who want to volunteer in some fashion or the other, who can help with maybe finding funding for us, or also supporting us through interface with corporates. So I've been able to do that in a very small way. And then there are some people who say that who I've met over here who want to adopt or take on a little puppy or whatever for their society. So then that's another possibility that gets created here. But I must say is that so I really appreciate the opportunity to provide a platform, because I think that's the starting point. Um, I guess. A lot of what is happening out in terms of the conference and all is not really something that we can use a lot. Uh, but it's interesting. I mean, if just to broaden one's mind there.
Thank you so much, and we're so glad we could provide you with a little platform, and we hope to see you again next year with a bigger and a better platform and scale. Thank you so much. Thank you.